Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Game Mode on Windows 10 to get the best gaming performance in 2025. Game Mode helps your computer prioritize resources for games and reduce background interruptions. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search box, type Game Mode settings and click the result to open it. In the settings window, you'll see an option for Game Mode. Simply toggle it on. This tells Windows to focus system resources on your game when you play. Next, check that the Xbox Game Bar is also enabled. This lets you access features like screen recording, performance monitoring, and broadcasting while you play. If you don't see the Game Mode or Game Bar options, make sure your Windows 10 is fully updated. Updating ensures you have the latest features and fixes for smoother gameplay. Once enabled, Game Mode will help reduce background activity, boost performance, and keep your games running more smoothly. Both multiplayer titles and demanding single-player games benefit from this setting. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Game Mode on Windows 10. Enjoy smoother, more optimized gameplay. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and gaming tutorials.